Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Wisdom Waves, Season 2 and Episode 2, where stories meet soul and journeys spark joy. I'm your host, Swati Gupta, founder of Joyful Parenting Club, and today we are diving into something which is close to everyone's heart: solo travel. Solo travel, it is not just as a gateway. We are talking about it as a powerful personal breakthrough. If you have ever felt the urge to escape routine, discover yourself, or just reconnect with nature and your courage, this one is for you. So, our guest for today is someone who took the road which is less traveled, quite literally, actually. From PR professional to a homemaker by choice, she explored her passion deeply and budding, baking, and travel stuck. And now she is a founder of O Pause Travel Experiences, a woman only travel community that curates soul nourishing offbeat journeys across India. So please welcome our incredible guest, Archana. Thank you so much, Archana, for being here, and it's such an honor and a pleasure.
Thank you, Swati. Thank you for inviting me. I hope I'm able to answer all your questions and satisfy all
Absolutely.
the curiosity that is here.
We are going to love it because we all know how simple you are, and at least I know you super simple yet so powerful, and we want to see the same thing in our audience because we all are parents as an audience here. So and we all love solo travel. It is like one of those movie things which we want to do, but we're always scared. But I think you are there to guide us now.
Sure, sure. Happy to help you.
Awesome. So I have listed few questions for you. So if you don't mind, can you answer them?
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
Awesome. So as a parent yourself, what made you take a leap into solo travel, and how did it change your relationship with your identity beyond motherhood?
Hmm. So, to be honest, I never traveled solo when my kids were younger.
Huh.
Now, if traveling just with kids without husband for a month to a mountain, to a basic village homestay counts as solo travel, I've done that many
Hmm,
times.
hmm.
So when my kids were younger, I never traveled solo, as in without kids and without husband.
Okay.
We've always traveled as family, and I was fortunate enough that all of us, we just love traveling. So I was
Wow.
fortunate enough to travel every 3 4 months with my family.
Huh.
But those kind of vacations were very different from the vacation you would do when you are solo traveling, right?
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
so for us, though, I also still remember those vacations very fondly because that was our kind of vacations. We used to go
Hmm.
to a place which was, in mountains and a very quiet homestay and stay there for a week and do nothing. I mean, we used to just park our car, and once we
Hmm.
used to park our car, we never took it out till we had to head back to home. So
Correct. Huh.
those were the kind of journeys we've taken when my kids
Huh.
were younger.
Wow.
But the solo travel started when my both my kids went to college,
Okay.
and that is the time when it really hits a mother, a caretaker, a caregiver, because all these years you've just been doing everything for family, for kids,
Hmm. Hmm.
everything is surrounded around them.
Correct.
But when you are an empty nester, that is the time
Hmm.
when it hits you, what am I doing now? What am I apart from being a mother, apart from
Hmm.
being a homemaker? What is my identity? That is
Yeah.
something that hits you because that is the time when kids have, they've flown out of your nest, and
Hmm.
you're all alone. Husband's off to work. You've done your daily chores. पूरा दिन ऐसे लगता है दीवारें खाली हैं. किससे बात
हाँ.
करो? So I had been preparing myself for this when my son was in 12th.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, but no matter how much you prepare yourself, this is something which still comes unexpectedly, something
Absolutely.
which you cannot plan for.
Yeah, yeah.
When it hit me, I was contemplating on a lot of things. I'm a birder, so I thought
Mm.
maybe I'll take a birding as a profession. Then I thought maybe I'll take baking as a profession because I bake also. But then it never, baking didn't come naturally as a profession to me because
Mm.
I love baking when I was doing it for my family, but I never thought I will still love it when I'll do it for people outside my family. That
Huh.
passion doesn't come naturally.
Right.
Traveling is something that you can do alone, you can do with your family, you can do with
Yeah.
strangers. So that is what, out of all the choices that I was contemplating, travel is something which is very, very close to my heart, and which I
Mm.
know that there would be so many women like me
Mm.
who would
Mm.
want to travel, but
Yeah.
they can't travel because they're so dependent on their
Right.
husbands to take them out for the vacation, for do their
Correct.
bookings. So it's very difficult for a woman to be a solo traveler. That is what the idea, that is how the idea came कि जब मैं इतना सोच रही हूँ तो मेरे जैसी कितनी और ऐसी होंगी
हाँ.
ना, लेडीज या औरतें जो सोचती होंगी कि हमें भी घूमना है बट वी
हाँ.
कांट ट्रैवल अलोन.
Right.
Yes, so that is when I started solo travel
Wow.
community only
Wow.
for women. मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं why not the family. मैंने कहा फैमिली के
हाँ.
साथ आप बहुत ट्रैवल कर लेते हो. हम
Actually,
लोग
that is
हमारे.
true.
हाँ,
Hmm.
so and honestly, Swati, it gives so much satisfaction.
Hmm.
At least
I'm
to
sure.
me, women come back saying that you're doing a great social service. Imagine giving this a social service term. This is something, I mean, very, very special.
Absolutely, absolutely. So which comes to my next question. Why is it actually vital for mothers and homemakers to experience travel outside of their family roles? Why do you think it is so important?
Hmm. तो देखो, मैं मतलब आई कैन ओनली से फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंस.
Hmm.
Now that I take other women also, I can share their experience also, but I'll start with my experience first.
Yeah, yeah.
uh, मैंने जब सोलो ट्रैवल करना शुरू किया तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि मतलब दिस इज समथिंग आई रियली वांटेड टू डू, क्योंकि देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स व्हिच यू कैन डू विद योर फैमिली.
Yeah.
जैसे मुझे पिक्चर्स क्लिक करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Hmm.
अपनी तो करवाना इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता जितने मेरे को नेचर की पिक्चर्स क्लिक करना अच्छा लगता है. So
Uh,
every time I see something, I have to stop and I have to admire the beauty and I have to click the picture.
wow,
So,
wow.
that is something when you're doing with your family, it may
Hmm.
annoy your, family members कि
Yeah.
आप दिन में रुक जाते हो, आप चलते नहीं हो, आप मतलब कि हम लोग पूरा नहीं कर पा रहे ट्रैक करने. So that
Correct.
is something. But when you are traveling alone, you are yourself. You have
Correct.
nobody is judging you, right?
Yeah.
So it is very, very important. And then that is a time when you realize कि आपको और क्या क्या भी अच्छा लगता है, जो कि आप इतनी सारी
Uh,
चीजें होती है जो आपकी ख्वाहिशें दब जाती हैं जब आप
correct.
फैमिली के साथ होते हो. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो जान के कुछ करते हैं, but there
Hmm.
are times when unknowingly they may say
Yeah.
something that then you don't want to disturb the entire
Uh,
family.
Priorities भी change हो जाती है because I remember when I go with my kids, my priority are kids. How are kids enjoying? You go to
Of
places
course,
where kids enjoy.
of course,
So
yes,
then you don't think about yourself that what
of
you
course,
enjoy. So you don't even talk to
absolutely.
yourself that अच्छा ये आंसर कौन ही करेगा that what you enjoy. मतलब we
बिल्कुल,
enjoy what kids enjoy. So it
बिल्कुल,
is taken for
बिल्कुल,
granted.
बिल्कुल. तो वही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, तो स्वाति हमने कभी यही नहीं सोचा कि
Hmm.
who am I?
Yeah.
For us, our priority has always been family and
Right.
kids, right? So,
Hmm.
what important? It's very, very important for us to ask ourselves every now and then कि who am I? मैं अपने लिए क्या कर रही हूँ? क्योंकि
Right.
अपने लिए करना बहुत जरूरी है. Unless you do something for yourself, you will not be able to do the best for others. So it is
Hmm.
very
Hmm.
important. अब
Correct.
मतलब वही है, आप जैसे बोल रहे थे कि मतलब how important is it, right, as to travel. तो मतलब कि मैं ना, after every trip I pick up few punchlines,
Hmm.
and this punchline has always stayed with me. One of the members of my group, she said, I'm tired of being the caretaker of my family.
हाँ.
So वही जो आपने बोला, मतलब हम छुट्टी पे जाते हैं, हम पैक कर रहे हैं, वी आर डूइंग ऑल द पैकिंग, अनपैकिंग।
हाँ,
बच्चों को क्या कपड़े चाहिए, मतलब बिकॉज़ वी हैव डन द पैकिंग, हमें पता है उनको कपड़े।
राइट।
फिर वहाँ पे इंस्टेंस, आई मीन होटल में जाते हो तो आपके पास चॉइस नहीं होती बिकॉज़ देयर इज़ बुफे एंड ऑल, तो
हम्म।
गोइंग टू अनदर प्लेस वेयर यू हैव टू ऑर्डर फूड,
हाँ, आ ला कार्टे।
देखकर
वो भी
खाना क्या
बच्चे
ऑर्डर
को
करना है,
खाते
वो भी आप
हैं। इसमें मिर्ची तो नहीं है, अच्छा उसको बैंगन नहीं पसंद है, अच्छा उसको ये नहीं पसंद है। अरे भाई मुझे बैंगन सबसे ज़्यादा टेस्टी लगता है, बट यू कांट ऑर्डर बिकॉज़ हाउ
राइट।
मच
तो
राइट।
हाँ,
हाँ,
तो राइट वही हो गया ना, सो यू आर सो टायर्ड ऑफ बीइंग केयर टेकर ऑफ योर फैमिली
हाँ,
दैट
हाँ,
समटाइम्स यू वांट टू स्टेप आउट ऑफ दैट रोल एंड डू
करेक्ट,
समथिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ। सो
राइट,
these women when they travel in a women group, उनको
या,
पता है कि अगर मुझे अपने मन का कुछ करना है, मुझे यहाँ पे कोई रोकने वाला नहीं है, तो वो
हाँ,
possible है।
राइट,
So that is very very important for
हुँ,
every woman to do that, you know, step
या,
out। आप भले ही एक कप, 1 घंटे के लिए यू आर स्टेपिंग आउट फॉर कॉफी, बट डू
हुँ,
स्टेप आउट।
हुँ, या। So how can look like, although you've already mentioned about a lot of things, but how do you generally feel? What are those internal shifts which you've noticed in women or women post travel with OPAWS, emotionally, mentally, or even spiritually for that matter?
So I'll give you an example here. Uh, मैं अभी पीछे I went for a trek,
Mm,
Tungnath, Chopta Tungnath Chandrashila trek. So I knew it was an easy moderate trek. So I had
mm,
posted it on my group, and I did not even ask what kind of fitness regime, people follow. But because I knew this was more of a mental game than a physical game. So I invited, members, and we were about 13 women who went for this trek, and they were a little, scared कि हम लोग कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे. One of them, her husband has done this trek, so she came to me. She said, पता है, my husband was saying कि मेरे बहुत आने के बाद मैं 2 दिन उठ ही नहीं पाया था, मेरे इतने quads में दर्द था. I had to take a Combiflam to finish the trek. Are you sure you'll be able to do it? I
uh,
said, honestly, I know you. I addressed her and I said, I know you and I know you will be able to do it. I mean, no matter what your husband has, said to you or what he has experienced, everyone is different. So I
uh,
want you to experience this. Only then you'll be able to know how well you can do it.
uh,
Went with me, and everyone who went with me, they
hmm,
were surprised by themselves. Well,
uh.
they said we didn't know it was a tough climb. I will say it was a tough climb. But the challenge is, how do you push them? How do you motivate them? And they came back so happy, that they could all finish it, and they could all finish it strong. So
Wow.
this is the kind of achievement that you
Mhm.
get when you travel with,
Yeah.
women travel, and you know that, maybe all of us are in the same physical,
Yeah.
fitness level. Our fitness
Yeah.
level is same, our emotional level is same.
Mm.
So, then you know that आप अगर ग्रुप में जा रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई तो बहुत ही तेज चल रहा है और आप पीछे रह जाओगे. So you
हाँ.
travel together, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
When you travel in a mixed group, जैसे मैं
Hmm.
पिछले
Hmm.
साल ट्रैक के लिए गई थी, we were in a mixed group. There were certain young boys who were really fast, and you thought, अरे बाप रे, मतलब कि really, my fitness level is bad, and then you start judging yourself.
हाँ.
These
हाँ.
are the kind of things that, you suddenly feel there's a sense of achievement.
Hmm.
इमोशनली ऑल्सो, अब जैसे मैं तो इधर की ही बात अभी एक आपको बताती हूँ. तुंगनाथ is highest Shiva temple.
Hmm.
And the trek is about 4 kilometers to Tungnath. It starts from Chopta, and it is higher than Kedarnath also. So
Oh, wow. Okay.
though
Wow.
the travel distance is less, but it is
Hmm.
higher than Kedarnath also. So,
हाँ. हाँ.
once everyone finished it, we were at the Tungnath temple, and one of the ladies of the group, I know her. She had some emotional, blockage because something happened in her life last year. And when we reached there, she said, "Ashna, I don't know. I just feel so much at peace here."
Hmm.
And she hugged me, and we both started crying.
हाँ.
So that is the kind of emotional release that also happen when I take people for tours. There are sometimes, those kind of releases. Sometimes when we play games, those games are icebreaker games, and other
Hmm.
games also. There are stories which come out, and women want to share without being judged. So
Wow.
emotionally also, it's a very, very it connects emotionally to
Hmm.
all other women.
Yeah.
So I've seen such experiences, and honestly, when I come back and I think about them, and then it all makes sense that I'm doing a social service.
I
Yeah.
think more than that, it is all about the lives which you're changing. Like, because we're stuck. We
Yes.
as women are stuck all the time, but you've
Yes.
taken out that stuck kind of a thing from that person. That means a lot. I mean, that means everything, because in that stuck position, you can go depressed, you can go haywire, you can, I mean, have terrible thoughts.
Yes.
But if you're able to take that person out of that stress and take them into peace, that is like remarkable. I
But
mean,
Swati, even with that, we have to take permission from family. I
yeah.
mean, for women, it is very difficult to step out. So they literally have to take permission from family that I want to go,
Excuse me.
excused.
Hmm.
So I want to go out. Can I
Hmm.
go out? But with
Wow.
fathers, with men, it comes naturally. They just say,
Ah,
we are going out
ah,
because
we're
they know
going.
there is somebody who will take care of things at home.
Correct, correct.
Even today, though my kids are in college, when I go out for a long tour, like say 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, I still have to think about कि पीछे से खाने का क्या होगा, you know.
हाँ,
So I
हाँ.
prepare, for food for 3, 4 days, keep it in
Hmm.
the fridge, so I know everything
Wow.
is sorted at home.
हाँ,
These are
हाँ.
the kind of things which we are not even after being independent, after being, our kids have gone to
Hmm.
college, we still are stuck in that routine and we are not
हाँ,
able to get
हाँ.
out of it. But
Yeah.
to be honest, I think if I've sorted those things at home, I know I'll be, I'll sort out the other things also.
I am sure. I'm sure. Sure.
I
I don't doubt it. So, Archana, which comes to my next question. I mean, while talking to you, I realized that there is a lot of things involved in those travel.
Mhm.
Does it make you feel scared? What if I fail? What if this does not happen? Or how you plan things? Like, is it picture perfect and you exactly goes as planned? And how do you plan one? And second, what if something goes wrong? How do you manage those emergency? Or did you handle any kind of emergency?
Right. Yes. So nothing goes as planned. Every time there's an itinerary, I know this has to be the plan, but with women, nothing can be planned.
I'm sure, huh?
So I always have alternate plans, but honestly, when we are together as a group and when we go, there's a rough itinerary that
Hmm.
these are the things and these are the places we'll go, or this is how we will follow the whole itinerary. But there are times when the total itinerary has to be changed,
Wow.
and because there are certain unexpected things that happen. So
Hmm.
Islam, we just come back on Monday after our Jaipur Teach festival.
Hmm.
We had a flat tire,
Wow.
so that delayed our whole journey
Um,
by 45 minutes. And
hmm.
a journey delaying a journey by 45 minutes, तो हर उसमें चीज में ऐड होता जाता है आगे. When you
हाँ.
enter the city, you get traffic, so 45 minutes plus 15 minutes of traffic, which makes 1 hour, so everything gets delayed.
हाँ.
So there are times when you have such unexpected things, but then because you have a rough itinerary, you know how the day will proceed, you
Hmm.
accordingly change. उस समय दिमाग चलता रहता है कि
Yeah.
अब मुझे ये
Yeah.
कर लेना चाहिए, मुझे ये कर लेना चाहिए. माई मैप इज ओपन ऑल द टाइम. अगर मैं यहाँ से पहले यहाँ चली जाऊँ फिर यहाँ जाऊँ तो मेरा कितना टाइम बचेगा. So
हाँ.
these things constantly keep happening in my head.
Wow.
So
Wow.
I am not on vacation when I'm taking a tour. I'm on work.
Obviously, and that's why your vacations are so seamless because you take it very, very seriously, and it's not just like another vacation I'm having with another ladies. It is
Hmm.
something like you are 13 people or 15 people. How many people you take? That many people are your responsibility, and you have taken their responsibility, and you have to do it single-handedly.
Yes,
So
yes.
obviously, it is a lot of responsibility, and there's no doubt. I mean, we plan a trip in a year. I know the kind of effort goes by, and you plan it for everyone from travel, because that's what you've always told, that I plan just not the travel but the stay experience, what all they are going to do. So everything is like literally plan. So
Yes,
that needs a lot of effort, lot of
yes.
permissions,
Yes,
like you were
yes,
just
yes. Oh,
mentioning.
yes, oh, yes. So, like you said, you asked me the question that do I have fear if what if this doesn't happen? Yes, absolutely. There are times. The first long trip, I mean, not the first one, but one of the first few trips was to Kumbh, Mahakumbh. And
Wow.
I took 13 women to Mahakumbh, and the jitters, the kind of jitters I had, especially after the news that came about the stampede at
Yeah,
Mahakumbh.
stampede,
Oh my God. I mean, I had sleepless nights.
huh.
And, in the end, I asked my husband, I told him, I said, you accompany me.
I'm
So,
sure, because
I
sometimes
know,
you
I
need
mean,
a backup.
when we went there, I mean, I thought that, ki zarat nahi thi, but still, there are times because the travel was so long, there were
Hmm.
news coming off, unexpected long, jams, traffic jams,
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
again, stampede and
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
much of chaos and everything. I thought it would be better to have, a male
A
member.
support.
Though I had kept it open, it was a family trip. Mahakum, I had invited everybody, but it was just a chance that I had all women, registering for the Mahakum. So then
Huh,
I said,
huh.
you come with me.
Wow.
Uh, of course, there are times when I feel jittery about it. But luckily, fortunately, there has not been an incident, which has gone wrong.
Touch wood,
I
God
know.
knows.
But no, I think all the members who have traveled with me so far have been very, very cooperative, and all of them have been very supportive.
Hmm.
They
Hmm.
know that, there are few hitches sometimes in
Yeah, yeah,
just.
absolutely. And that's something everybody knows. I
And the
mean,
best part is, yes, and the best part is, like we had a flat tire. Just I said, the last journey we had a flat tire. We were not upset about it. We started making reels and we started taking pictures.
actually, that's the best part about women, because when women are sitting together, they will definitely plan something beautiful. There's
Yes,
no doubt.
so if you see my Instagram page, there are few pictures of we all of us jumping in front of a truck and sitting on the truck and getting pictures. That was where the truck was also, the back, tire of the truck was being getting changed, and we in front we were all getting picture clicked. We asked
Lovely.
we asked the driver, भैया हम यहाँ फोटो खिंचवा सकते हैं ना? वो बोला हाँ जी so so that is the kind
Wow.
of craziness you do when
Absolutely.
you're with a group of women.
Absolutely. Tell me, Archana, what would you say to a parent who feels guilty or hesitant about taking time away to solo trip? Like, how do you think that you can encourage, or what do you think would work for parents? That yes, they feel that yes, self care is not selfish; it's selfish. I mean, this is my
Yes,
favorite
yes,
proverb,
yes,
and
yes,
I stick to that. But
yes,
despite of us talking despite of us talking about solo travel, there would be parents who would be hesitant. There would be parents who would still be on the contemplation mode, that are we running away from duty, are we on a guilt side, are we this, are we that. So for those parents, what do you think, like, I'm sure you would have also had a few parents who would be talking about that. So can you
yes,
just throw some light, if you can help or maybe motivate few parents to
yes,
actually
yes,
think about solo trip?
yes. So when you talk about guilt, the first guilt I had was when I was a new mother.
Hmm.
So I remember this incident, and this incident has stayed with me throughout the life.
Wow.
So my first baby, and my sister had come to visit me.
Hmm.
So one of those days, I was having lunch, and my daughter started crying. That was the cry of hunger. So I immediately left my food and I went. I started walking to feed her. My sister asked me, "What are you doing?" I said, "Yeah, दीदी मतलब उसको भूख लग रही है." So she said, "Are you mad? If you will not eat, how will you feed her? You have to feed yourself first to feed her, right?" So I
Yeah.
said, "But my guilt is not allowing me to do that." She said, You think about it. Unless you are fed, you cannot feed your baby. So stop that
Hmm.
guilt, because even as mothers of grown up kids, we have that guilt. But honestly, Swati, if we are not happy inside, we cannot give
Hmm.
happiness outside. So it is
Yeah.
very, very important to stop the guilt, because you're not doing anything wrong.
Hmm.
You're trying to do or give the best to your family by giving the best to
Wow.
yourself.
Hmm.
That is very
Yeah.
important. So as women, we always are in that guilt trap कि मैं चली गई तो पीछे से क्या
हाँ.
होगा, ठीक से नहीं खाएंगे. So like I said, मैं अभी भी ये करके जाती हूँ, and I know अगर मैं नहीं करूँगी तो they will still survive. कोई भूखा
Correct.
नहीं
Correct.
जाए, मतलब किसी को भूख नहीं
Very
लगेगी
true.
तो
Very true.
it's
हाँ हाँ.
instinct for survival. It's our survival instinct. If I am
कल
hungry, I
की
know
हाँ.
कि अगर मेरे घर में नहीं बना हुआ है तो I will order. और आजकल तो
Tomato.
स्विगी, जोमेटो,
हाँ.
होम शेफ, many
I
things
agree.
you can
Hmm.
do. So stop that
Hmm.
guilt, because, like I said, it is very, very important for you to
Hmm.
step out to stress yourself. If you're always stressed, if you are always occupied
Hmm.
with work and you're not giving time to yourself, like you said, self
So yeah,
ishq,
self-care
right?
is
Self,
self-ishk, not
yeah, not
selfish.
being
Hmm.
selfish, it's selfish. So start loving yourself. Once you love yourself, you see the difference, the kind of love you are able
Hmm.
to give to
Hmm.
others. So it is very, very important to, मैंने जैसे पहले बोला था, भले आप 2 घंटे के लिए जाओ, you step out for a cup of
Hmm.
coffee, but do step out of that
Hmm.
guilt trap. I'm not saying step out of your house, step out of
Wow.
that guilt. It is very,
Wow.
very
Wow.
important.
Wow. So, Shobna is asking a very sweet question, and I loved it. I would like to ask that to you. So she's asking that I have
Hmm.
been wanting to be the similar kind of thing what you're doing. So can you guide me, ma'am? How can I
Hmm.
start my work similar to what you're doing?
Okay. So Shobna, पहली बात तो don't think too much, just
Hmm.
start it. ऑनेस्टली बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें आपको प्लानिंग
Hmm.
नहीं चाहिए. प्लानिंग आपको तब चाहिए जब आप कोई आइटिनरी
Hmm.
इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हो. So yes, initially it wasn't easy for me also. When I started, I had 8 members in my
Ah.
WhatsApp group. Started with 8 members. Today I have about 300 plus
Wow.
members in my group. So the journey is not easy, but once one of your plan is successful, and then it spreads like
Wildfire.
the
Hmm.
word
Hmm.
of mouth spreads
Absolutely.
from there. And honestly, the kind of satisfaction that you will get, Shobna, after doing this will be immense. And once you start getting satisfaction out of work, आप खुद ही और एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप
Hmm.
लोगे कि उसको
Hmm.
आगे
Hmm.
कैसे बढ़ाऊं. You start thinking. So अभी मेरे साथ क्या होता है, all the time I'm just thinking कि मैं नेक्स्ट क्या करूंगी, how do I increase my member space. मैंने जब शुरू किया था, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, मतलब आई डिडंट पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट इन इट, क्योंकि अगर आप इन सब में पड़ गए ना, मैं पहले कंपनी कहाँ रजिस्टर करूँगी, मैं लोग कहाँ से लाऊंगी, तो दैट विल टेक अप अ लॉट ऑफ योर टाइम. बट ऑनेस्टली मैंने ये देखा है, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड, थिंग्स स्टार्ट फॉलिंग इन प्लेस. एक एक वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम, यू हैव टू टेक वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. आपने पहले एक ट्रिप ले गए, आपने अपना अकाउंट, इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट बनाया, उसमें पिक्चर्स डाली, फिर आपको लगा कि अच्छा अब मैं फेसबुक भी बनाती हूँ, आप धीरे धीरे आपने नेक्स्ट स्टेप लिया, फेसबुक अकाउंट बनाया, आपने फिर एक व्हाट्सएप कम्युनिटी बनाई. सो आप शुरू में ही सब कुछ नहीं
Hmm.
कर सकते. Start, take it slow, take one
Hmm.
step at a time,
Hmm.
and start falling in place. मेरे पास अभी भी मैंने गूगल अकाउंट नहीं बनाया कि मैं गूगल रिव्यूज कहाँ लिखवाऊँ. So those are the kind of, and it's not easy being a single person, single-handedly are running the whole,
Mm-hmm.
business. I don't have any other, partner or any employee right now, because honestly, I'm just doing a very, very basic level of, work. So I don't think I can afford paying to, an employee right now. But um, once you start growing, things will automatically start falling in place. So you have to take the first dive first,
Mm-hmm.
and then
So
will
Shobna,
start
very
going.
simple. Just start. Start with few people.
Yes.
Don't think of making a community. Then only we'll start. Start small. She said so beautifully. I think
Right.
Archana said it exactly. Start one, then post the pictures on Instagram and Facebook so that you know that this is what you've done. There is people are aware that you've done it. People are aware that it was successful. Then only they can trust you. They can't randomly trust you because going on a travel, it's very very hard to make people trust you.
Oh,
Gradually,
yes,
once your
yes.
success rates are higher, automatically people will join in. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yes, very
Wow.
true, Swati. Trust factor is a huge, huge
Absolutely.
factor. True, huge factor here.
So that closes all our questions, but I have a nice rapid fire for you.
Oh my God.
It was a fun rapid
I didn't
fire. Don't
expect
worry, it's a
that.
very fun one. Okay. So actually, I love that
Okay.
question. That's why I wanted to put it. Although I take the question at the end, but I certainly felt that this was a
Mhm.
question which we could have answered because this was something which I wanted to talk about. But when she asked, I was like, why not? So there are 10 questions on the rapid fire. You don't have much time, but you'll just say it quick. It has to be spontaneous. We
Okay.
don't want you to think.
Okay.
You know the true Archana.
Okay. All
First
right.
place you ever traveled solo.
That was Tirthan.
Okay.
Tirthan Valley.
Bird watching or beach lounging?
Bird watching.
I was sure of the answer though. So your travel essential.
No, bird watching anytime. So I wake up at 5 a.m. wherever we go, and I'm out with my
Wow, how
binoculars.
that's so lovely actually. I love that. I love both of your things. So your solo travel as well as the woman travel which you're doing, as well as your bird watching. I want to learn both of the things because I myself am fond of
Most welcome.
travel,
Most welcome.
but yeah, family commitments. I'm not
Sorry.
able to take out time right now. So, but yes, certainly I would like.
Just need an hour for bird watching.
Bird watching, I'll do with you.
Yes.
So your travel bag essential which you just can't miss.
So I have a bag
Okay, what
always
is
ready.
that? What is there in the bag? That is the question.
So it has a sanitizer, a comb, a hanky. I don't believe in tissue
Yeah.
papers. A hanky, and a kajal, and a lipper, and yeah,
And
that's
that's
it.
it. Oh,
Yeah,
lovely. That's sweet, and
that's it.
I mean that is how you're
Yeah.
simple. So yeah, I can believe that. I can trust that. One travel food you can't resist. Yeah.
Travel food, boiled rice
Oh,
and
that's my
dal.
favorite too. Mountains or monuments? Oh, lovely. I have
Mountains.
that picture of yours. Best travel song on your playlist.
Oh, that's a difficult one. I have a travel playlist
I'm
with me,
sure
so
that's why I wanted
that's
to
a very
ask.
difficult
I was certainly sure you would have a travel song list.
Off late, this is the one. Life is a highway by the movie Cars.
Ah,
उसमें
yeah.
है
You must sing two
Life is a
lines.
highway. Oh my God, no.
Yeah. You want to hear, no? So you once you sing, it will be more beautiful.
Life is a highway, your way or my way. Na, na, na. So,
Lovely. One thing you never thought you would do, but you did while traveling.
oh, going to a beach and taking a jump in the beach. I'm very scared of water. so, so one thing I wanted to come out of this fear, and just 2 months back, me and my husband decided we'll go to Rishikesh and do
Wow.
rafting. And I said, okay, that's a huge, huge
Uh-huh.
step for me because I'm very scared of water. But we
Uh.
went there and it started raining. So the rafting was cancelled.
How lovely.
So luck favored me.
Who was scared? The rafters were scared or you were scared? So it became doubtful now. So, your dream destination, which is still on your list?
My dream destination,
Oh,
Kashmir.
really? Wow.
Yeah,
If your life was a travel book, what would the title be? Ah,
travel
I
with
like
me.
it. Start writing then. Travel in silence or travel with stories?
Travel with
Travel with
silence or
stories. Oh,
travel with
wow. Okay.
silence.
Although I thought it would be travel with stories. So that,
No, that's work. That's
yeah, yeah,
me.
I'm sure.
When I
Uh,
full of yes,
because you
yes,
need that
yeah.
peace to be finding yourself inside. So I think,
Oh,
yeah,
definitely. Oh,
wow, wow.
definitely.
So
Yes.
wow, that finishes our rapid fire. You were awesome, and undoubtedly you came out
Thank
with
you.
flying colors.
Thank you. Past.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
past with flying
absolutely. You
colors.
were too good, too good, too good. So thank you so much, Archana. That
Thank you
that
so
was
much.
so heartwarming, and that was so insightful. So people who are planning, was still thinking, you must travel solo, and we all have Archana now. And I'm going to tag Opause in case you want to connect with her, plan a trip together. Perfect. Please go ahead and do that. I would be more than happy. And if you want to start your own work, also, I think Archana can help you, especially on travel.
Absolutely.
She'll be open enough to help, and I know the kind of person she is. So that is not a problem. But do travel with her so that you can experience it by yourself, and then take people so that you
Yes.
know how it feels. Because till the time you
Absolutely.
don't do it and you feel you'll do it for others, I don't think that is a very very good idea. You need to do it for yourself
Absolutely.
first. Then you
Yes.
take people so that you
Yes.
know what it feels to experience,
Yes.
one. And second, you need to experience and understand what all it takes to take people. Just don't just jump into it
Yeah.
because it's interesting. I know it's interesting. A lot of things in this world is interesting,
Oh yes.
but
Oh yes.
safety, what you need to make sure, you have to pinpoint your travel diary, whom you need to connect to, your list and everything should be intact, because it is just not you, it is the whole people who have trusted you and been there. So don't
Yes.
take it like a fun, because it's a serious business, guys. It's not funny. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Sure. I will just add for
Yeah.
Shobna something here. Shobna, the first group that you take has to be a personal, friends from your
Yeah.
personal contacts. Only then you'll be able to,
Hmm.
understand.
And learn
Yes.
better also, because your friends are not going to judge you, they are not going to, and it's not about profit, by the way, it is more about learning first, and gradually when you have the
Yes.
name, sky's the limit. But to start,
Yes. Yes. So first has to be a yes. First has to be a
correct,
personal
correct.
contact.
That is a very smart thing, actually, Archana. That we need to first think about who are your close contact, who can trust you and go with you, and then it that will give you an experience as well as I mean both the
Yes.
things. The trust, they will
Yes.
also help you wherever you need that navigation, maybe. Wow,
Right.
wow, wow.
Yes.
So, thank you so much for tuning in for another heartful episode of Wisdom Waves. So, if you all enjoyed today's conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's keep the ripple of wisdom flowing. Until next time, stay curious, stay courageous, and as always, follow the wave within. Follow, guys, you need to follow the wave within. And thank you so much, Archana. You were such a sweetheart. I just messaged you and you
Thank
were
you.
in, and that is what I thought it would be. So grateful to that, because you've always been a sweetheart. And thank you
Thank you,
for being
Swati.
such a
Thank you so
sweet
much.
person to help us come out of something which we have not navigated yet. Because this is something we want to navigate, but we are not yet. And I'm glad you're doing it for everyone, and you're doing an awesome job.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, everyone, and take
Thank
care.
you.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank
All the
you.
best to you.